Hey guys, welcome back to Asan the Animator. And guess what? We're back with weather reports. And yeah, I did have a lockdown drill at my school. But hey, that's not the important part. Today, we'll be looking at weather today. Today is mostly cloudy. Of course. I like cloudy days. Tomorrow will be sunny. Friday will be extra sunny. Saturday is cloudy. Sunday there's a little bit of rain. Monday is heavy rain. And Tuesday, which is the start of Ramadan, probably a little bit of rain. But I gotta ask. Tuesday is gonna have the highest wind rate. Because, of course, the precipitation, yeah, it doesn't really go well. Monday is just a lot. Man, what was I thinking? But yes, guys, this is weather. This is the weather of today. And thanks for tuning in. I know it's a short video, but I don't really care about how much I do so. So to learn more, you may I don't know. Just have fun. And remember, don't waste time, gotta spend time. So long.